Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devidas Nikam. So today's date is 29 December 2021. Today's topic is a collection framework in a Java programming language. Firstly, what is a collection and why using a Java programming language collection? What are the types of collection? Firstly, I can explain what is a collection. Collection is also a framework in a Java programming language. Collection in framework is also store the manipulating the group of object and collection is also provide the group of object in the using Java programming language. So first one is a collection is also used to the Java programming language. Collection framework is also used to the user to perform the various data manipulation operation and data storing, sorting, searching, and insertion, deletion, updating is also provide the data is also provide the collection and a group of elements. Is mostly used to the collection framework. Is a searching, insertion, update, delete is also used to the collection. It's called as a collection. Collection, there are three types of collection. First one is a list, and another one is a DQ, another one is a queue, then another one is a set. First one is I can explain the list. List is also interface the array list and linked list, and another one is a vector and say stack. Another one is a there are next part is a queue. Queue is also queue also is interface is also implement the private queue, and another one is a queue is also implement DQ is also implement the array queue. Another one is another one and the last part is a set. Set is also interface is also implement the hash set, link hash set, and tree set. I can explain the firstly list interface is also implement the array list and link list. List is also interface collection implement, so it's called as a link list. First one is a list is also implement the array list and link list, vector and stack. First one I can explain the what is a list. First one I can explain the array list. Array list is also implement the list interfaces. It used to the dynamic array to store the duplicate element. Array list is also array list is also growable array. Array list also non-primitive data type. Is called as a array list. Array list also store the insertion. Array list also maintain the insertion order and is called as a array list. Another one is a linked list. Linked list is also class collection is also implement the interfaces. It's used to the double link and single link. Single link list is also there are two types of link list. First one is a single link list, and another one is a double link list. It's used to the double link list is also internally to store the element. It can store the duplicate element to the linked list. It's maintain the insertion order. It's a linked list is also linked list is also used to the duplicate element remove and adding the new element easily. Linked list is also provide the multiple methods. Linked list is also provide the add with add method, and another one is a set get last index of and contains method. It's remove methods is also provide the all method of linked list. Another one is a vector is also store the dynamic array data element. It's similar as a array list and linked list. Another one is a stack. Stack is also subclasses of vector. Stack is also last in first out is also data structure is stored. Stack is also provide the push and pop method is also display. So another one is a queue. So queue is also maintain the first out first in first out order. So it's first in first out is also order maintain the queue. So queue interface class is also implement the queue interface class is also implement the queue. So another one is a DQ. So DQ is also provide the DQ also provide the array list queue. Queue is also implement the private queue. So private queue is also implement the queue interfaces. So it hold the element to store the object is a process to the privacy of the element. So it's called as store the element. So another one is DQ. So DQ is also extend the queue interfaces, and DQ is also remove and add the element. Add the element both side. First one is a right side, another one is a left side. So first one is a DQ is also used to the DQ is also used to the head, and another next is also tail. So there are two sides is also insert the element and add the element and remove the element. So is also called as a DQ. So another one is a set. So set is also most important part of a collection. So set is a represent the Java util package. So it so set is also set interface is also implement the tree set and link hash tree set, and another one is a hash tree set is also implement. Tree set is also it's extend the collection interface. It represent the in order set element. So doesn't not allowed. So had say has set and linked has set is also maintain the insertion order. So is also store the key and value. So tree set is also maintain the sorted order. So is also firstly I can explain the hash set class is also implement hash set class is also implement the set interfaces. Then it represent the collection that used to the hash table to store the collection of data, and is a hashing used to store the hash set is collection of unique intent. So another one is a linked hash set. Linked hash set is also represent the link list also implement the set interfaces. So it's extend the class is implement the set interfaces. So it's a content to the unique element. So it maintain the linked hash set is also maintain the insertion order, and another one is a tree set. So tree set is also sorted list. So first one is a tree set is also implement the class is a set interfaces. Then is a element to sorted set, and to arranging to the arranging to the ascending or descending order. So it's provide the method. So another one is a tree set is also tree set is also store the ascending or descending order. So So tree set is also access the retrieve the tree set and quick fast. So tree set is also very fast searching and sorting the elements. So it's all about the collection part. So thank you for watching video.